Hi, I'm Shaj from Epiance. Just talk a few words about Aashwasan and Rashmi. So, recently I read a line Rashmi had posted in social media, which actually said, a little bit about illness and how we can free from these illness. It actually said we cause our own illness, and it is we who should set it free. I think that those lines had pretty deep meaning and impact, and there's very few people who speak in that level of authenticity. And in most cases, for a lot of things, we look outside for answers, but matter of fact is it's inside. Your answers are inside. But the fact is, you got to have a mentor. You got to have somebody to take you to reach to that level of depth of yourself. And I think that is what Aashwasan has been doing. And for the last 18 years, congratulations to the entire team at Aashwasan.